anya appeal case no kwa time netwam marriage certificate o won bi ama till today marriage certificate o won bi till today the omeka bi om so om boa Akosua bempoma na numuto so on won kanche obi ase odo Broni na ku ni nua no. And to me, I will not have energy entertaining frustrated women who in their own words are lying. Omwankasa vindicating odo Broni. Omwankasa vindicating.
Ghana so politics training news and ensema hodra echegu ewo yankase mem Ghana hanim senya foframa so honsam and abreni na ne de eba bedam adaroma se video ni eba beto social media no eso na se wadwemu yon tanta bowra Ghana info page no eso ewo YouTube hanim se ya na hye aha en abehu de no kure ewo mni de no kure bia enim no na ene video bi so aman hom ne so ewo social ene media no eso a yakwakofa ye di bi eba bedam enti America kre bi ni kame hwen na enyango go hwe video ni ebi emfa brane ba the agent trade about the comment section.
Odo Broni. Secondly, obi any wo betimi akase odo Broni mfa ne manko DNA. Not even Akosua Serwaa, because Akosua Serwaa ondi odo Broni. Akosua Serwaa only spams. Akosua Serwaa only tumi bia odo Broni so. Akosua Serwaa only odo Broni ni any contract. I'm saying this to say, sir, every necro, Emma will be answer so, or Munkwasi asem so. Do Omobaka so do Broni be ayeno, why ye, wa ye bemano, or fee, corner cobono. Akosua Serwaa no next year so do Broni ajini kuna ye names awaye na guno, or no koko Ghana, or the number feature. Also, Akosua Serwaa nankasa ye chi mano. Osuma ne suma forma ne be kache nkwasiafo we say fuck you me suma asem nkomento kwa mame. That is enough. And you know, we will celebrate our wins. And no dear, ye wini bibi na mbe celebrate here. We will celebrate our wins. But what we will not do is to give audience to stupidity. Sasa miminim se de besi akano. Audience. Entiem kwasi asem. Sa womo awotna api so no mu posta 1 month. Na obi enfi womo a omo bejai. Because omo ni hwe omo betimi aye. Shi ni wiase. Womo manu muto no. Womo se di omo kan ye biara. Entro. Don't give a dimwit any mileage. These people, they are a bunch of stupid people. And yankwasiafo na akomo wabom. Energy mi yare. Enyeme, Yesu Kristo kwentini entu jimi. Or sa Adam or sa Chle or Tienifra. What can Bible baby say Yesu tu jimi? Jimi yare. Bosumi duni ye go omani wa sister baby. Baby, I don't make you go on when they should tell you that apart from say woman about castle, woman is she on Becano, woman is she, I come na do woman, and woman young was here for. And as so, and my omutia brocho we are depressed because otia broche na nimyan saka krebia. Ube mu say. U baby daddy mpo enye wukuno u baby daddy niaba entima meka nche ose koye die abroche ye besu nyansa but se wa anko school a wunyansa no ye de brofo na kire wa ha wonte ebi no so ko school o magimi dada e mani bebre nso twa yo moka. They are depressed women wo mo nware to mo kunu no mo mpe wo mo o mo nsra nkun papa obeye ni widie yie no or the sikabekwa koma kuku bini na watena ni chumu no wateta no wadi ye nya saada age no meme Afia de I am telling everybody say enkuni mabotire no mofa afe ma wo bia so so ena ya den ena odobroni ni obi ani kasa biem efi na kro obi betina kasa odobroni se obua. I'm speaking on behalf of Ebusua Penny and everybody. Enough is enough. Yen any amo more then esa so mo kan na ya be kan bi so mo kan yen kan bia en ka jimi no abewie ye do omo champion ta akotum 4 days ye keeping Ghana 2 weeks omo enya kapre evidence amejino omo enya evidence omo ni bi some one evidence kakwasi abana nka Ghana 2 weeks was so back court 21st our ma court we danye jana Ghpagetv. That is what it is. And at this point in time there is nothing, absolutely nothing to fight over. You people have won beyond the word win. Ye do almost kunim star bi yama almost
yenyan one pacho Roja Milalumba
Opacho say
say onu kotena conference press conference na se na ye boy ye papa echi pa no onu pese onu eteki over legacy no intinu se no di okoye ye no wahu ne mfom so ntino o di afa onu mfo so wanya manager ni manager no na begina ho so mo be pacho e chopa oh I tell you ene onu oji neni su oji neni su adi aslim basta mo ne na ba mo di ye ne ni abeta mo
come live so
oba chiko so se no ma so mo person mo fru odobroni platform so omo mo nim se ho ne de the other side ne de Schwar banker na aka ha no ho na nsem no wo enti no omo pe odobroni followers ne platform wo di na che so makogina so the apology abaye see and you
Ai Akosua omo trouble mo buy omo
me karibia me say ene ye onim odobroni for mu ni so ban sa yen sister yi maami Agnes ye otabasu wo ye no wo che poison maami no nya wonye Miss wo bra ne pa ne ba ku mo no asifiri so kra chopa no ho no de bufu
Especially compare baby, me I see 80% in the support. Compare was it 80% in the support.
ni pa 80% na support no
So yeah,
me number 1 fan ya na mo he
we the breaking news ye next live band na nka e ba so no ya twe akwa echire enya amaso
asoma
because mo o say Roger Miller say atam dide na mo de wono no kra nto jira kra no I confused why confused
no I know of I know of
Milano ono sukrana na nkrofo wogidi onu mu pa se nsema na ekoso nyina no na onka bi o meye bibi anti na some voice ye nim se o melade badami hu se no agi akonya
no ko
media hono de me
Ghana de Ghana be no
ye ni de okobi ba no mo no wonim timodobro ni fo ebi mu de mo ni so hyeche yankasa ye si hei o mo se chenchene awa mbe ye ni bi chenchene ai nam se no ye hu no ho itinam ye defend was your but ni nyina nkosi ni se esa e chopa na wo de ba no ene sa na voice na wo de nam no asam ni nyina ye one obi se o twa ma 1 year na si 1 year ni si a copyright or kojina baby so your live band or copyright for be fan on band ni nyama ni nyina afra ni obi ojina ho awo back bia ntu wo kwa kojina akoye o mini muti se endra lion no Senegal lion no akotu biye so mu
Obi no be on never change Japan yes fan coffee right.
Yeah, lewo sreko.
Who could you not go? Yeah, was so best rough.
Agos, what's that I'm kaza fra nyum na obetu no.
Aha, inti nkyeremu a ya Broni for no so mo de na ekokot ni nkyeremu a mo de maaye ni se. Omo hwe Charles Kwadwofosu Junior. Omo hu senior Kwadwofosu Junior su ni ne bibia wonim. Inti enye won say bi akwala no 5, 6, 10 years from now no be start say or to nyum. Ne papa legacy or right say ultimate take off fast them patches yes a friend ni din no kura start di bibi sa ne say name no na say ne ba no duru ho na wo na wo so take over legacy no ne ba be pre legacy no ho na say den je no de lalai o control ne ndwom na want to any wo fa nwom wo ye ni show bi no de ba ku bi fem antiase ewom na mmom pa say or the DL no legacy no eba be ye no roja mila lumba no yempene nti asam no ehwo ne kokko wie ye enti se kukuru anti kukuru ba ble anyway meti asumi di konkonsan hey birthday party no boss de meti anyina na me
hwe me last question Mr. Alex. Mela Okalumba family no wana.
Okay.
Bye, Operopa, Mr. Poku, Bajo, please kindly come in.
Mr. Let's question be. Mr. Let's let me play devil's advocate. Now, lady be busa send me say some more information be ana mon fa ma bontema. Yenya hope say ma me young wareno. Ana the BBC mitrim. Minim say a court no let be poppy up 2018 Mami Akosua let be on the buy a bar court order. Emma Mr. Alex Mami can't miss you can say who believe say there was settlement. Yeah, the Germany firm out go to the court on the mono say Mami no witness no crowd can say settle Mami no. If I say me who say see settle Mami na I don't know. It's settle Mami na me sure say this magnitude of properties no the be Mami no e wa bra lawyer be near witness to and any witness income home. And person me who say obi betima settle will be some the fear man no evidence because no woman was worried say my many people back because when she wasn't settled. So I wanted to sure say the person me who say missing can say obi betima settle will be with this magnitude of property say me the amount wa bra no witness no document because court no there was no document. But Tales, what did they make an say?
It was here. You miss that Lumba say Uniho, but Brano free Germany bagana no. Ghpagetv na Ghana. There adwa to asase. Enokwa. Tentra hell na nasefu ni nyina no. Maame no ebo ni nyina de to say. Na ewum. Na de wom ni asema ye kan 2018 asem. Se na wari bi wo no mo a sebe a court and because maame ne ye the surviving spouse. Sakra na maame na nya bi ama. And he said about the settlement se deal ye wella he has the right to give anything beer to anybody. And he said ye ka se settle maame na Germany fie na wo no no efi mi no cars omuja no Germany sa anyoma ni nyina anyuma no maame no fa ye no da ben no waye ho kuntade abredia anase nyuma na ho no da ben na wo bebu nkontade a chirobi Tisani oma we nyina ye nneoma nkrata wo no. But yɛn fa no nto nkyɛn na yɛn hwɛ we. Sɛ nɛsɛ court maame ne yɛ yire. Court nso abɛka sɛ bɛrima ne ɔba obi atumi na Ghpagev. Sɛ deal actually no wo mo sɛ German fie na ne die nto da mo maame na de aka bia ɔde ma ne mma ɛne ɔdɔ bronya. Asɛm furu bia ne ho bio. Because the bɛrima maame na the only surviving spouse wɔnya sakrata na ma. Nti deal kwan papa so akyɛ na Ghpagev no. Wacha asa onti ase a kokot but wono onti ase no eno nsesa hweo nti munya apotre pa na deal nsema enya anhya ase akora de mu hu no enya anhya ase de mede mani hu nkrata binom from Germany nkrata bi pa from Krumha de mede mani hu pa Ghana beye butubutu pa deal ma titru ne manketo no ene mpanyifo no enyoma bi ni anyway mama ntome bwansa
to boa koso ka te o ka bi ma yesi akoma to yeye mo o to boa se
me pacho so for na also mo kan se mo kuma to me no Mr. Alex pacho so poku allow Mr. Alex he has a limit to what he can say me pacho
Mateo me da say
thank you so much thank you Mom Maggie Pacho, please kindly come in. You see, the asem no yet difficulties because now that lumba nankasana ebia ono ye na adie no ono na one manet na ono all these things jinana sono he is not there and he certain questions or how bisa na I had difficult to answer. He's the best person to have answered all these Survived and Pacho, please kindly come in. Okay, Sparkle, Pacho Middle, please kindly come in, okay.
Good morning, Abusiafo Auntie Rahel. Good evening.
Sister Rahel, sister we boga. Oy boga.
Me pacho me te o ya refa he ya o ayi Mr. Me say minim se mo che sa o che say fit Saturday be see Andrew and in minda yo che say I didn't know you people can stay here for one man midnight bundle by force.
Anyway, we said, do you sleep, your madam?
I don't sleep. Brales, me pacho, mpese me misa question bi kakra. And they will say they meti o baby say young profile platform say mama Akosua on a fun day deal when he started his music career. In Tisikebia be free deal enyumbia babiano right now I has to go to her na yes sister Priscilla also try say obe create account I diverted those funds into her account so we asikano and fan free mom so they are going to sue her. And another one, so I want to know, like, can there even be a possibility, say, it just didn't make sense to me. And Wodi, I know you can give clarity on that. And I anti blame so anyway, me say okay omo sue obi because okotran throw a court to say and now they have evidence say onye intro no try or something. So they are also going to take care on me pacho. And also so sense someone. Yanfani say it's even not true, say she's not even a wife. Can somebody take somebody to court because you are claiming say Yuri? Looking at the circumstances.
Sparkles, don't worry your head over.
Hey, Tracy, and people were believing it. The neighbor court.
Wait. Let's do it one at a time. Miss Alex, would you like to come in or I should go ahead?
One question, one question. Mama Okasai. What do you fancy? And you mean because on a troy? And also produce ye. And Ottomano and any Zikabai. That's a lumber over Ghana. Sikasa no de bagana. It only mami akoya Serwaa no money accounts bi abo. Out one you want physically bi amagana. It's only produce ye no sa to no bi akora na sika ni nyina sa bedin ho. E bi na de to dan otena mu no. And so what you produce obi amana ya no sa physically nyina de na e de bebiwa.
Brian, aside the no, yente Ghana ha. Ena Papa she any team legal wise team you can say team legal wise beka che say ejapade ada lumba ye nyina no eye mama Akosua Serwaa ene ye man no. At the end of the day, didn't it come out say Papa she and kasa beka say mama Akosua Serwaa kraba oni baby da na oba no de danko for mancha.
Why ejapade amobi?
Why Ghpagetv amobi?
No didn't na ye lumba din. No fa di answer so da. O je se mo kan em make sense.
Why Ghpagetv amobi oba oni baby o teda. And so when people say some of these things, say that number, I think recently there was 3 years. And no just say all the songs. And no just say all the songs are why she should have been the one to be taking the money when that Lumba was alive. And you know, if that is the case, it's illegal. You'll be able to prove where you funded him and how I wasn't the right thing. It's me bound. It is easier said than done. And when it comes to our area, someone moka said, although Broni ko kan wo court say you otie court nsem na o kan ye na o see you were legally married, which Mama Akosua Serwaa couldn't prove in court. That is what we know per the records. But when it comes to the you can't say Afia warrior, which Odo Broni at the court and as Odo they took Odo Broni on now. It's and no, you don't need any certificate to go and confirm it. It can be confirmed by conduct, by living with the person for a very long time, having children for the person and staying with the person. And so when it comes to conduct, if you are any Odo Broni has more proof than anybody could have, because Obena videos of her going everywhere with that Lumba, she'll get videos of her staying with that Lumba, and everybody can attest to it. So on the till so she can attest on any woman 6. And when it comes to onone Mama Akosua Serwaa, why want more proof of Nawari? I don't know if you get my point. And she said almost when evidence. It's a good thing. She should just take the lady to court and let's see. I'm offering in court. It's as simple as that.
The other way around. Me I don't because me sorry me abusin the other way around. Odo Broni bet me the Mama Akosua Serwaa court. So I claim say ni cleaning that the number. But then you know evidence. Munu sadi.
That Luma Nankasa can when the noon send me yera menene wo. And there are so many proofs that just what friend nipa so yene. I said we quite the meeting, and that is the part I'm telling me book like I get so pissed off because onipa Nankasa no de ne ho no tiase no. Or say me yiri ni me mani nipa ne fi ma o se anya ne yiri ne ma anya ne ma. Like who in God's name does this?
Yes, one can say, or see Mama Akosua and hear what is no. He should have emphasized on
Obama knows a CID. Who's as no can say
because I may hear Matiska, no, because I may hear me in the horse CIE. Which one I am more justifiable? So for let's be real to ourselves and what
Madam, Mami and come here no pay. Mami Akosua Serwaa. As at 28th November 2025, Judge make orders. Say Mami Akosua Serwaa you are in 1991.
Okay.
Ye ware na mamere mu. And also make order say odo Broni ye ware na mamere mu 2010. Bibia answer sa wo ho. Because of that dead lumba ewo ayere no mieno. Obi obeka se odo Broni anya yire bia no. Sani pano ntie na asem kra Serwaa wai. Bisa nipa ne say court document na be wanya bia kan. Obeka cho so on kan bi ka che ne se ne nyoma bibre ho wonim ti mo nkasa kra. Ene tie dead lumba nyom dado de nyina ni sika bawo enye ne na ni sika be bawo. Dead lumba ni sika online de ni nyina kogu bank account mo. Nti dead lumba sika almost 30 days sika no nye ne wo. Se maami Akosua se ono na ehwe na oye bibia momo abrochi na muni made be friend labels label bia wa contract percentage ba atiso percentage ko manager so anya bia mpa choma mi Akosua se wa ne label contract between on deal when was the last one the artist cracker size and the artist don't know obeti ma chere text message ko chere se mpa cho be boshu na ko ha se ni ebi ni ho entimia enkuti omu bebre nya sa woni mra won so no na waje akonya wo hon boy.
No.
Okuma na be o yakeke. Thank you.
I am not interested. And another one, last one. And Angel said anything. Your sister Akosua abo video be say audio be Anna Auntie Faustina kase time I baby see papa deal no odo Broni fa phone friend say omo de na eba fie nti ombra no so onde onti mi mba mbehwe na oba obe collapse o seden. So it means that she herself no when they were bringing DL to the house she didn't even come to look at her brother. She said kofo we jafunu we ka ebo abonten so force they should deal with it and now they want to make it look like as if there was actually a ban on them for not seeing their brother. Nyakopon bedi ye nyina ya sema because the same way dey until say be ende no some of us are not resting because yeah aba ya damasiwa good morning.
Thank you Sparkle, good morning. Yes darling.
I try to say
If I yes I don't answer.
Boko person bisa bra Alex questions bi kakra.
Okay.
Bra Alex me patron person bisa say DL or managers ana. That's my first question.
Or manager, yes.
The manager any wine.
My father is still the manager of DL.
He has all documentations to prove. So, Roman father is so documentations for all to prove.
Yes. Say, who say DL the managers in wine and how a different question. But okay. I'm saying he has all the documentation there. That's another thing.
My second question so maybe the second question is say omo di deal who sem go YouTube no muji skedi no what are the managers doing about it? I say
that is another case.
Obi give me dia to YouTube no ji skedi.
That's another case. DL had a manager. And yet program back mienu miensa and 9 enum onabo programs multiple. DL ma ofie Jessica, the manager na one ne deal. So be kai kra ne nyom kro release kra ne manager na chire no da yen release. A typical example. Ujina platform so ka say nko de nyom bi ba the manager ka chire no pa cho hwesa video no.
Yeah.
Nti he has a manager. Obi nima munya potre. A time will come. Omo de DL dia ye ni nyina no. Ne brebe so. Nti nya potre. Why?
Okay, my next question is can they write a letter to YouTube to pull all those videos down? It's just a question.
Sorry, they can.
That's all.
Their videos, and the online kasa are monetized. Nobody can tamper with that because it's already set up and it's going into the accounts of DL and its management.
Okay.
The car, mona bano. That has nothing to do with DL. The management will sit down and see, is it helping? Is it taking money away? Is it jeopardizing the name? They will come out. But whilst you are going through traditional 1 year mourning of the dead, no, The family, in conjunction with the management, will have a meeting and do whatever they want to do for. But for now, no, we are still mourning with the family of DL.
Okay, my last question. I know it's going to be a very controversial question, but I said when me cry me na shame. I felt so bad for Broni. I always pray for that lady. So my last question is say, it's me feel said to me that's Akosua Serwaa mano. They know a lot of things that we don't know. And no my high and no mum bekasana. I'm for go omo papa ni masi to the sense you go omu nuanum so ni maseno. Why are they keeping quiet over it? Because Senena Mino Beacon was them say, I didn't call na doing all this while. For how long? Alex, do you have any answer to that question?
He doesn't have an answer. Can you have an answer to this? Let's have an answer to why.
Unless you have answers to all.
So be feeling some type of way. The emotions and how she cares about.
Thank you. Thank you.
And we can't stop that. But the bit me can say, dear Labusia for any Neyerenum Kra are going through serious litigation. It's whatever they know, whatever they say, no can be used our court. Court and seminar crime try. And you will will come out. But there's a court, there's a bumper in Fuenimo. And no confusion, I see Honoma, they can't do meetings, but dear Lemma, and your Broni dear, they buried dear. There are someone in Tienya Potre. No 1 year in Chem, whatever that is there, Biano. There's a surprise that is coming. There's a surprise that is coming. A big surprise. But and then I'm fun to ja. But Yamea Duma, watching Konebeka was a mifra. Come to
Alex, me person me kasem chesi Sarah. Hey. You know what? I did want to say. Sankenye said Broni was strong family. I support no, and I was strong way lawyers are. I can get on own to me survival side way because I didn't know do. Near course no easy. Who enye small thing. What I say? It's yemu bi na ya na ye filema lady. Me huni da. But me ka say me bonfire man all the time. Ye filema say nyo komu no. Me nje say me enemy bia because I did mu bi. Wo enti ye emotions na dia kwoshem ti e bisa questions sa. Madam Ahofe, just understand I say we are all going through our emotions.
And that is the part I don't want anybody on this platform to take. Okay, that is the part I don't want anybody on this platform to take. You should be able to master your emotions when it comes to certain issues. Okay, so at the end of our it's different. If we're being so it is different. You understand? One say, and for the emotions be share these issues from the beginning. When baby when it comes to that Lumba and Mano and why they are not responding now, you and I will still not be able to tell what exactly it is and Kolana I'm friend of reason.
My voice is like his royal. Pacha me dreaming who Obi said for your voice is like his royal. Me dreaming who me to be Mr. Amawai. Yo, bro, Alex, me that's so why it's
no, don't fight emotions, babe. I know say you think about her and all that, but sometimes you should relax on the emotional aspect of it. If not, you break down. Break it down. Obi fiasem in patcho. Let's all be able to master our emotions when it comes to this issue. Why if what?
Mate.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Davi mi patcho, please kindly come in. Madam.
Yeah. Unfortunately, min showe. Ne perema kafanse. Na mi yura bakaka me kachiansha. Belated birthday to you.
Oh, God. Thank you. Thank you.
Sure, no more patience. Appetite, yeah. And then Brown no compliment was skin color. It's tied to
Thank
brown.
you. Yes. I think I'm falling in love with brown color.
Fatal.
Thank
No,
you.
fatal.
Thank you.
Seriously.
Thank you so much.
No, she mean you'll be also Brahma. It will go ahead with the other, but I know before the soccer. Anyway, greetings to Alex. Alex, thank you for the hard work. Yeah, join the platform, Jerry, but in the yard today was I for 2 years. It's not a brother. Or they a check on some money you cheat your call because they made you me on your joke. And so be why and I may bibi yam. Now, Alex, now you can be there. Mamma, no you papa in you. It's me be so, and in be a absent no courts. Okay, the mamma or your papa near. Wabra, when you me there on you hope you.
That's a very good question.
We make judgments in court. Why you fair to Priscilla? Don't the one put there.
Mommy, I know you are doing but blame no do na beko. Do na beko. Ediama Sebi. Deal na on pen wasem. Nti oja wa no. Wankusin kunya monkuru didi amani panyina ante se ene wujai. But abusu panyina wujina mujensa no papa na ewu. The opa for free abusu panyi oba 2019. Nti nyoma bibiri wonoma na wonim. Nti na odwen se amamre kwan so ne no womade ayenka mom. Na ne anka nyina yenye yeni mfiri ho. Wonim se nyono net.
No yerenom na when your wife is nature, nka ne ni age 60s knows the dem bra where 70 be would na member mtabent ne girls are working ya when one by one can wash where no why
say enunti na se wuti asem no kwa chiri pa wuti mu se awari jaye no mansi nkonwa monkuru no enu kwa na ama court antimenya nyina so because nipa ofri manhia ba kirekire mu no ka se ese nkomo bo nkuru no mututu nsa eguso momunya danse fo se awore na abawiye amasa odi no nti ye nyina ha ya adwene pa ba ne demini aba
bampo chocho no me did anti for year interview be kede osi was on sana brand no was a command brother ane Mate
Micromatisa.
And your nasa for sticker day was a sobrana.
David Beyonce, Pacho for senior interview Bianca Sassam Pacho.
That
what if we on one no, the okay, yeah, man, for interview. Say, yeah, the son of Breno. And now. Did Onwakasa Neka, have you heard her herself?
Kakrabazan, our friend for Stevie, and Yaman we are.
There's a video that she said that.
She has, sister.
They are
I am a no more shamas are bro.
No. I have not seen them. I was having Bachobi was a video now on
uncomfortable type of she did. Because what on brand was a command brother.
I said, Mama, I'm saying the can the room.
Thank you for the word so sweet. Come on.
As I'm going to your witness, right? Almost doesn't come witness. I'm here company I do. I'm sorry, I don't know, say slow, said your mama.
Aha.
Oh, there are some women in here. Na sister Fosti, esen koko dia dance or court. Echere se dia ombeja dia la ware. Nokre esi breben. Nsaba mu hwan eje sa ne omani nyina. Because one court anko disa adanse no. Dia la ono beje nsa so ni ho. Nti anya dance ni bia mana nyina mu pen anka.
You see, say, okay. Court, dear, no court, and we got to know, say, Mommy foresee was supposed to have come to say obedia dance, but one mommy did. But as to say on one kasa ye interview, what cousin Sunny bedin in
oh, so I have means muntu minza could be someone Charles sister. Nkofuna wa church that wa atse no. Amanka semete.
So I have.
Asem ye wo boye mu bi dem but ye control your emotions.
So I have. Once you are on air, there are so many videos out there that make Ramen share. They say, "Obi make a statement. Be a making sure say we will find out." They make out here say,
and nothing, Mr. Alex, maybe son because on say if you say it say on one kasana why your interview can. We need to find out if there's an interview like that.
But don't mean dispute to say they make out here.
Sister, mama, my Miss Menu video, me quite sure about that send me other phone. Miss Menu wasn't sending this or no do.
Because on one case being a kind that could have been something that could be used at the court. Until now, I'm surprised. So Moka on one casa I interview a cabisa. Until
the sisters, what 10 360 no. Hey, Charlie, you know you. It's when you know what 10 360 against one brother no for mommy Penny to do what she's done and for others to ridicule their brother to that extent and although Broni no what tana nede oyaba sama. Hey,
what's happened? You last funny. Who said they be the call back? And you the call back. If you see who the entity of your opinion, some nobles upon your car, say, or doing cano, or did you have not changing? I did some kind of opinion society. And the SEO, I know the SEO, see who know, if only the entity are almost 10 against the Broni. One of them is young. I don't know, maybe
I saw no braille.
You know, you don't believe you are the baby. So,
right I think say at if for Momoye, Yamia Doma Dakure Transe. Na ya fa deal assembly free.
David, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Ms. Alex, I should go ahead, please. I wanted to say thank you to David.
No, to us, obey to us.
Oh no, Ms. Alex, go ahead. Now, I wanted to end with David, then you can make your submission, please.
No, I think Brian can the same thing. I think say it's okay. It's okay. To us. It was alright. I'm okay.
Okay. David Pacho, are you done?
Video was about Brona. I was a Broma. Listen, when you're done,
I will be so glad.
I'm
so glad.
Obviously, the jazz in a bottom because
I what is that video? No,
number 9. May number 9. I some moving because the man said when you go through the Wabani, it was so voter judge. Bobby says, no, what on away? Come see, come
80 voter region now. Oka fancy the dead son. How?
Yeah. What more winiba? Might say, go so fine. But the Mazia one charm 1 year, but hey, in fact, Fonko voter, because I'll question them. It's okay, sister. I will drop a Mokosha video, no, bro.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Mr. Alex Pacho, please kindly go ahead. Hey, most I like interfering, Mr. Alex Pacho. I'm sorry. Mr. Alex Pacho, please kindly go ahead. Okay, Mr. Alex Enyako. Brian Pacho, your final words and then we can wrap up.
It's funny, I do. What's your own energy? But me now count. But we are not coming to you. Some dear because I don't go for the idea Jim ready. I mean, because I don't go for 7 minutes. Medium me and try. You wish a thing. Yeah. Obia, no court in our court in a way. As some no court in can we. Intino, yɛbɛsi via ne ani ayɛ wɔ ha yɛbɛhu de bi ɔde me kyɛn na lɔsi no so hɔ ɔdɔbɔni de ne nyinaa wɔ ne nyinaa yɛnyi mfiri hɔ ɛna akyɛw pa no so de obiara ne ɔtumi kɔpɛ obi akyɛw nti no me anadwo deɛ bɛkrɛ bɛka no nti medam ase ɛde obi ase.
Thank you so much, Brian. Thank you so much. Nyakopo Insha will be brave. Brian, thank you for always having time to come and deliberate with us. Nyami Insha, I appreciate you, Papa. And be brave. Said the Bia, or Jim Rena, or Banaoni, a better drink. Nyakopo Insha will be brave. Thank you. Mija Mwako Dakakra. And the Bia, my Joe time, sir. Hey, Brian, fetch him. Thank you so much. Miss Alex, bye. Okay, let me listen to Ernesto and then Miss Alex, but then we can go ahead. Ernesto, Pacho.
Hello, good morning, Edzai.
Good morning.
No, if I may try some marriage show, Namatuni Mama, call me birthday, no to new man, but me, I'm saying, and happy belated birthday. The mammy first a question, Lady Bibusa said, Lumba or manager, and our management team, Mr. Leska said, and a Roman father, no, a honey mammy basswing. I don't know, dear, but we show in the Padodonati. Na me pese clear bibi say really say na father da so the manager any pa bebre de brand na di juma bi anke say ba na ya take action da and I don't know say oye ne manager na osan free DL radio no minimum what transpire there but hono na e kire ma adwen kakra nti nka Mr. Les betimi achire me mu kakra na nka ma clear kina me so me chire ma chire obi na me hu de wi amesi achire because your father that we manager pa na say a drew stay na amanfo atimi ayi so dear brand na ye neoma bebre a fi say ya say ya ma neoma ka chire kakra nti Alex timi nka na oba so wantimi anya no so I think say nyambo achina oba on try na on my explanation kakra me da se bebre.
All right.
And I met my video no so okopaba no. But him say my no ne Ohineba media ne rep na yes I interview no. Me so me try say me hu a. Em say ne ba ne wu ye na chire no ne ko ye interview bi. Ene na ma me ne kan say insan in fact or the buy. Nti me so me try say me hu ye na ye beboa ne ahwe sa video no. Ni abon wa ha na amanfo nso atibi. Me that's it.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you. I think so, Mr. Alex, in this, so I'm trying to connect him, but I'm sure say Bianyame Adomo Ochina, he'll come back and then probably answer. Let me see if I can get him back to answer brother no question. I don't know, maybe I want to call and now he's doing something. Cause so free so. Okay, I was for Nyakopo in Shamunina. Thank you all so much. Okay. Thank you all for your time. Thank you to all the gentlemen that came on the platform. Nyakopo in Shamunina. Thank you to Serwaa Akodejame. Thank you to Mr. Alex. Thank you, Brian. And thank you to Kinke Baby Obia, Nanahima, God bless you. And then Serwaa in Baby Obia, Brother Marcus, God bless them all. Thank you all. It was for a time of yes, I don't get enough sleep at all. It was for me pamocho. Nyakupo in Shamunina for the time. Oh, thank you, Junior Faisal. Thank you. Nyakupo in Shamunina said it be a mojimre na mobeka yehu. Emma you have these discussions. Nyame admoch now we'll go into Ebusia Penny Mons and some any other issues that needs to be talked about. But Ebusia for said the make a chairman and patrol. Let's be able to watch our emotions when it comes to this issue, so we don't worry ourselves and then worry others as well. And Nyakopo Insha Munina Nyame Adoma we're going to come your way again. And to all the people that are celebrating their birthdays today, because any day montina omo mudi omo birthday enne bia no nyankopon inshom be pray na omo mo kwatenten ahode wom na ye sith me nyankopon inshom no omo mo ahode a enkwatenten wom na May born singing. So happy birthday to all of you. Know that you're special. You're special and you're special again. Thank you all. Have a very good night. Mepa mucho. Say that they be a year canon mepacho. If you can't make them happy, please don't make them sad. Unim so ntimi mo be any injia, Mr. Schwar and Sheni Panareho, okay? Yami Aduma, we're going to come your way with more updates. I was a famunya with na in Simbi Ohonoma. It takes time for everything to come out. It takes time for the truth to reveal itself.